Jolene, and today I am bringing you an unboxing. So this unboxing is actually going to be filmed in two parts because my packages did not all arrive. I was planning on doing a Besame Cosmetics order unboxing and a Collectif unboxing and try-on video, but Collectif is still lost somewhere in the mailing. So I am just filming part one today because my Besame Cosmetics came in and I've already cut open the box. So I'm just going to get started. The box has got the paper, and then on top it's got my packing list, which has I ordered 4 items. It has the thank you for your purchase card and a Besame Cosmetics. Lipsticks are highly pigmented, semi-matte. Wait, Besame lipsticks are highly pigmented, semi-matte lipsticks that delivers hours of rich cover. Each lipstick color is faithful reproduction of an actual vintage lipstick from the Besame archive. Get ready to be admired. And then it has all of the lipstick shades down the side with a description of what kind of undertones or skin pigment, what types of skin would look good with each color to help you find your shade. I apologize if my hands are shaky in this video. I really should have eaten before this. Yeah. Okay. And then it's got the Besame Bugle, which is just the same Besame Bugle that I actually already have for the Asian Carta collection. So I'm actually just going to put this on with my other Besame Bugle back on my shelf. Okay, and then we've got the red paper. Okay, red paper. Oh! Wait a second. There are 5 things here. I ordered 4, like I just told you I ordered 4. Okay, so I'm gonna go through what I ordered, and then apparently I have a free thing because it's got a heart on. I'll look at this after I go through everything. So I ordered the Snow White's Pies lip balms because I wanted something from the Snow White thing, and I wanted to try these because they look super cute. So we'll go for this first. Okay, we'll have that set there. Okay, so each of the tins has Snow White with a different facial expression, but all like cute pouty lips, like ooh, ooh. Okay, so this one is cherry pie, a delicious cherry pie for Bashful. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so that's what. Oh, it smells so. You know what it smells like? It smells like the oh, it smells like a cherry lip balm. Okay. So it's got a slightly pink pigment. Okay. If I didn't have lipstick on, I'd be trying this on my lips, but this looks like it's gonna be a go-to for me for lip balms. Oh, they're so cute, and it's got little cherries all on the again, sorry for my shaky hands. Cherries all along the edge. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, so the middle one is, I'm guessing apple because of the decoratives. It's a delicious apple pie for Happy. Oh. Ooh. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, it's more pink. Yeah, so on me, this is gonna come off more like clear and natural lip shade, which is gonna be great on like for mornings when I don't wear a ton of makeup. And then the last one is looking like, what's the name? Gooseberry, a delicious gooseberry pie for Grumpy. Oh, ooh, that smells great. It smells like okay, yeah, that's a little. So The cherry one is the most pigmented out of the three. Don't know if you can see it. It's right there. Ooh, it smells like. It almost smells spicy, actually. Yeah. Oh, it's so cool. And the packaging is so cute. So for those of you that don't know, I save my packaging. It's kind of ridiculous how much I save them. But yeah, I save packaging. So definitely will be saving this packaging. It's kind of like for like after I empty the tin, I can just put it back in and then have it as a display thing. Because these are easy for display, especially once the tin's empty. Okay, so that's item 1. And then item 2 is a rebuy for me. This is foundation. I love the Bisque foundation. Absolutely love it. So I just rebought it because this is my first one and it is completely empty. So ordered a second one because we need my foundation. Yes, yes, yes. So this is what the foundation looks like when you first get it, and this is how much product you get, and this is my shade, Bisque. I've come to the I love this product so much. I love it. Okay, so the next thing I ordered is because I'm replacing all of my stuff with Besame cosmetics. I ordered a blush, and this is in the shade, this is a Delicate Rouge translucent blush. Yeah, for this is the box, this is the packaging, and this is in the shade Raspberry 709. So see it? Ooh, that is pretty. Okay, I don't want to destroy it, but I do want to do a swatch, so. My hands are so shaky. Oh my goodness. Okay, pinky. Oh, it's so soft. Okay. That's it right there. Trying to do a little bit more. Trying. Oh, that is so nice. I like that. That's beautiful. Next thing that I ordered is the brightening violet face powder, and I love violet. Violet is like one of my favorite flowers. Oh, get ready to be admired. That's in French. Why is that in... Is that in French? Because like that's Spanish. Oh, I love it. It's so pretty. Okay, there's too much. Oh, so pretty. Okay, this is probably gonna be super. Oh, it's a little powder poof. Okay. Okay, so I'm not gonna actually show the powder on this one because I'm not ready to open it, but basically that, and it has a little powder poof. This powder poof is so cute, and it's so, oh, it feels so nice. It feels so nice. And this packaging is great. That's upside down. Okay, so that's the fourth thing that I bought. Four things. So I ordered the brightening violet powder, the raspberry delicate rouge, the cashmere stick, and the Snow White's pies. I have a fifth thing with a heart on it. I'm assuming I just got a free thing, because A, it's not in fancy packaging, and B, there's a heart on it. This makes me very, 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 very happy. I feel very, thank you, Besame, for this free thing. I feel very, very lucky and fortunate. Thank you. So this is translucent brightening vanilla rose powder. So same kind of design, but in pink because it's rose, and it's got the same little powder poof. Oh my goodness! And then the powder is pinky in color, whereas the other one is more purple. I am so excited to try this. I'm so excited to try this. I'm so excited to try everything. I'm sure I'm probably going to love everything, and I am looking a little shiny right now. So actually, what I'm gonna do, because this is translucent. Yeah, this is translucent. I'm gonna try this really quick. This one. I'm gonna try this one. So, oh, that is so. I love that. Okay, brilliant. Love it. Did not realize that's how this worked. Okay. So there's that. Can I use the powder proof? Okay. And dab my forehead. Ooh. I can't actually see. Oh, that's so nice. Oh. Okay, I like that. That feels great. Okay. Cool. I am excited. Yeah. Thank you so much for sticking around this far in the video. Hopefully I will get the my order from Collectif soon so that I can do that part of the video. Guess who decided to show up today? Okay, so it's been about a week since I filmed the opening of my Besame stuff, and my Collectif order decided to show up today. So what I ordered, I had some panic just getting here because on the tracking it said it was in the Bermuda, New York International Distribution Center, and it had been in just the international, you know, collections or whatever. And then, because this came from England, okay, so I was just like, why is it going to Bermuda? What? Why is Bermuda even a thing connected with New York and my package from the UK? I panicked, and it took it about a week for me seeing that to get here. So, it's here. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna try it on. This is gonna be a short little clip because it's only one thing. This is my first thing from Collectif. Heavier than I thought it would be, but I'm not mad at it. Okay, so to be real with you, I got a size 16, which is like two sizes or a size too big for me and my person, because it was the only size that they had on clearance. It's the only size they had because it was on clearance that was in any way potentially gonna fit me. So I am gonna have to do some altering to this baby to get her to actually fit me. But I love the material. Oh my word. When I did my Besame order, I had also gone on to the day before I had gone on to Collectif, and I had seen this jumpsuit. Picture. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to get the picture from the website, but like, because it might be gone. But I saw it and I fell in love because it was so 1940s, so Agent Carter. It was perfect, literally perfect, and it was on sale. It was originally 103 pounds and it was on sale for 25, which, if you don't speak pounds and you're American like me and have to like convert things into dollars, that is basically $110 in like roughly basically like 110-ish dollars down to 30. So yes, I bought it. And oh, the buttons are so nice. Okay, I can't say how I completely feel about this because I need to try it on, so I am going to go do that.
Thank you for the help, Mom.
Thanks to my mother's help, got this, basically, I got it basted, because I can't do fitting on myself. I realized that. So got that basted, and it basically pretty well fits. Gonna work more on it tomorrow, and work on shortening the legs because they're way too long. Yeah. Her sewing room / my dad's office, but it's so big. I love it. Okay. Bye.
Edge, fit it into the stitch there. I mean, there would have to be some dead space that they wouldn't have to make.
Okay, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more from me, you can hit that subscribe button. And if you just miss me too much in between when I upload videos, you can go follow me on Instagram. I post there pretty much every single day, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Take care.